Tell me what's made you guys successful over the years? What's kept you in business for, what is it now, 12 years, something like that?
I would say people, our employees.
Okay.
Our employees, a lot of it, like I told you, if it wasn't for a good banker and good people, we wouldn't be where we was at. But, and there's a lot of good people that we work for. We've had a lot of good working relationships out there.
Tell me about your relationship with Kirby Smith.
Well, our biggest one is Dean Traylor, our salesman, which Ed and them guys, I know them, but Dean's our biggest contact down there. Just any problem we've ever had, or we really don't have many problems. Just call him and tell him what we're looking for, and he gets us a good price. And we've just had a good work relationship with him. And the service guys, they've just always taken real good care of us. But we've had real good luck with the wheel loaders and excavators.
Lance, what's going to continue to make J&L successful? You guys are unique in what you do. The Eco One is different than anybody else is doing it. Explain to me a little bit about what the process is.
We know all the levels of the ground and the levels of the mud, so we can never cross a threshold of degradation. It's to where it hurts the plant, hurts the soil, and we take the control out of the driver's hands and do more of test results and science. And we built an algorithm and a computer to basically be in every truck, GPS, so we know exactly where we put everything. We can guarantee zero liability after a very short time, and prove exactly where every gallon of waste went. So it's not out of sight, out of mind. It's actually recycled. True recycling, the best way. The mud that is basically built of earth elements come out of the ground, we're putting it right back in the ground and watching it go back into the ground.
We believe it's the most environmentally friendly way to get rid of it right now, or we feel ever.
Okay. Nobody else is doing anything close to that?
No.
No,
Okay.
not that we're aware of it.
All right.
We have a patent pending process on it, so. But our Eco One could handle it and spread it, and instead of being a Superfund site, then we actually partner with landowners, and we basically dispose of it in a environmental way that there's no detriment on their land or any other land, but it also gets rid of the waste that they have instead of just a giant mountain of waste sitting there.
You started using Komatsu equipment when? About?
I want to say 2006, somewhere in there, I believe.
Okay. And you said one of the things was you started out with the original wheel loader that you still have. And did it perform so well? You went on to.
We got along real good with it. Like I say, I was in it the other day, and it's got 6,000 hours on it, and all we've ever done is change oil, and that quick attach external motor, we've had to replace it. We hadn't had to do much at all to it. It's been a real good piece of equipment. Like I say, we've purchased several more of them, had real good luck with them, and it's, it don't get used near as hard as some of our other ones day to day. There's other ones out there, working every day that take a pretty good beating. We really just don't have much problem with them.
Okay. So overall, you're impressed with Komatsu equipment?
And the equipment and the service, that's a big thing behind it, is the service. Everything's going to break down, and we're going to tear stuff up. It's how quick we can get it put back together. They can come get it put back together for us, and the parts and the services, what makes it.